One Bligaleshka.
One Bligaleshka.
One Bligaleshka.
One Bligaleshka.
One Bligaleshka.
One Bligaleshka.
Wakantanka.
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 Flowers in the water, please. Let's put the water in the center. Go ahead and put the flowers in the water. Yep, all of them. Over. I'll take it back there. Into the water. Scott, put a little bit of oil in the water. Rice in the water. Some salt in the water. Not all of it. Actually, put all of it. No, not all of it. I'm sorry. I have to do something with this. You can put the whiskey in the water.
Okay, good.
Put the whiskey in. And I'm hoping that everyone, or at least some of us, will be able to read this. If you can read it, say it out.
Rain.
Read.
Rain.
Let's dance. One. Two. Three. Sammy, sing your song.
I'm singing to myself too.
Okay.
I'm very shy.
She's very shy.
Four.
Rain. Fall from the sky. Rain. Rain. Fall from the sky. Rain.
The fridge fell over, so I fixed it.
Go to the bricks and knock them down after I've poured water by it.
Hey, I didn't get to knock down any bricks.
We're done.
Woo!
Can everybody have a chance to ring the bell?
You can ring the bell.
Can I?
Yeah, anybody who wants to ring the bell, go ahead and ring it.
You guys got to work out.
Man, it's hot to be
You gotta
running around
work
in a
out.
circle saying rain, rain, rain. Are you
I
still
lo- I lo-
videoing?
Yes, I love. I love the paint on your face, Emmy.
Oh yes, I haven't even looked at it.
Rain on with salt.
You look like an Indian.
I know.
I thought there was
You gotta get pop pop.
I thought there was some kind of oil on it, like the brown part. I wonder if it was
Get off my lawn! Remember that from
Gran Torino.
Yes.
Clint Eastwood. He says, "Get off my lawn!"
I'm pretty sure he says the GD
The kids.
People he didn't want
get
to
off my lawn.
Oh, that was, I didn't,
Oh, the neighbors.
that was good, wasn't it?
I cried.
Yeah.
You hadn't seen the movie. It was one of the best scenes.
I'm gonna watch it.
He had a gun in his hand.
Hey, Quinn, did you like that? Let me see your face paint. Come over here. Come up to me.
Have you never seen
Wow, you look great. Did you see yourself yet?
Not yet.
Oh, you'll have to look in the mirror. Bye-bye. Hope we get rain.